Hey everyone, welcome back to my place. This is going to be for all the signs, heart reading. Okay, I hope that you all are doing well and fine. And sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. I'm on Instagram as SHELLS, Shells Running. Link is available. Also, my PayPal link is there if you wish to support the channel. My UPI ID is there and my GPay is there. Okay, you just need to pick that ID. I don't know how to like go in for the link or something, but I'm trying because I go through the messages and the comments and I do try to find out a way if there is something going on. So, there is this energy of routine, past. These are the words I'm getting. Okay, ROUTINE. Someone who got into the routine to talk with certain person. Past could be someone who is still connected with you somehow, or history connects you both. Okay, but there is something connected with kind of like when I was like shuffling and the random card was Six of Cups. Okay. Bo is still going to shuffle and see what is coming. So with that, someone is connected with possible contacted you after 6 years. Can go more, but I kind of get six is the number for you because of Six of Cups as well. That's what they're trying to tell to me. There's also some kind of refresh page, like a refresh button. Okay, and something is going to get refreshed. Okay, and it's going to also get like when we record, you have this side and then you switch it and it turns to the back side, whatever this front or towards that side. You know what I mean? Okay, because with the camera and all that concept. So someone is going to suddenly just like this and they're going to look towards you. Now, looking towards you means they were looking, but they want to look more towards you. Basically, they want to put their energy here. And I don't know what you want to do because who this person is actually. Who this person is, and you know that who this person is. I think the title should be who this person is, but then I don't know whether it's more attract it does attract or not. I don't know. But I just know that you know what I mean when I read. Okay, so let's see. But there is some kind of energy of um, past. Um, Scorpio could be a listener or a dealer. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is interesting because I just started shuffling. This is what I meant when I said six of cups. Okay, someone from recent distant past may contact you. Okay, or they've already done it, but they're also here and they want to say things to you. But I kind of get this energy. You've become braver. You've become smarter, more with those things connected when people used to just you know took you for granted. Let's just say that took advantage of you, took you for granted, and they always wanted things, and you were always the giver. Okay, do you see that you become smart with time of like not getting involved in those things and not letting anyone take advantage of you because you've already been through all that stuff. So you should protect yourself, right? And you're doing that. You're doing the exact the same thing. Some of you need not to believe someone from past, okay? You need not to believe them because they've been liar and they have ghosted things. And this could be a return of someone who literally left you feeling hollow, empty handed, and um, they played kind of like a victim. Okay, and they always do so. So if you're dealing with some energy again like that, please don't give them attention. Someone over here is in reporting, newspaper, journalist, articles, and it's very specific about newspapers I'm talking about. Okay, of course they prepare that for online as well nowadays. Everything is digital, but everything is connected. The real newspapers I'm talking about, when you hold it and when you read it, if some of you are interested, okay, or you work there, then you are of course interested. uh, yes, maybe not, but I don't know. You are interested. Yes, someone is. Something is connected with newspapers, so something is connected with a paper and a news. Just take it as individual as well. Something that you're going to hear about someone, or something that you're going to just read. Okay, there's also, I'm hearing confirmation coming for some of you. This card is coming in my fingers. um, this is saying that there is some communication definitely, but also confirmation, as I said, regarding something. This could be some news you're going to read. This is a breakthrough. um, and this is going to break all the details that you had earlier, or this is going to be coming as like a liberation in your life. Okay, yes. um, you're going to feel liberated. That's what I'm hearing. And maybe it's something, information, detail, news, anything that is going to let you relax and rest for the very first time after a long time of being caught up in something. So this could be very personal to you, and very personal information, very personal news, very personal thing to you. Okay? And when these things come clear, you have freedom. You have something that you were feeling like you're stuck in somewhere or in a situation. It's news coming as well. So for some of you, this is important communication coming as well. Every person's life is different. Everyone's timeline is different. So things are on variety. A lot of things are happening. So why am I holding this card for such a long time is because this is going to be a very important part that is like unpredictable. Like out of the blue, some communication is coming for sure for some of you. Okay. um, it's going to be a brave communication, a courageous communication as well. Maybe this is about this person. So Leo could be a listener or a dealer here. You're going to hear from could be someone who does want to talk, and they are just now having that much courage and confidence that they've accumulated for self to talk to you. It doesn't mean that they don't have confidence. This means that they're collecting this for you because they want to prepare very well so that they can talk to you. So the way they're going to come around is they're going to come around with the crown on a sword, means that they want to give you something very special, and not just like that, they will bring that thing with them. Okay, this is what you mean to me. This is what I want to talk about. This is what I want to, I want you to feel. They're coming with that feeling in heart and in communication and clarity that I am coming here to talk about a lot of stuff that I so wanted to do for some time. Okay, and this is what I have to tell you. This is my truth. Like, as of like someone is coming with their truth towards you in order to tell you, this is what I feel the most for you. Okay, I cannot exaggerate more because I know. Today I forgot to wear ring. I mean, this is permanent, but I am not wearing any ring today. And it's weird because I never ever forget. Most of the time, I mean, I don't. 99%, I never. I do feel this is also about some proposal. So I get this message. It's a hint that there is some kind of feelings, some kind of proposal coming towards you. Um, it's going to be like a crown. They want, because you're going to be the empress in their life or emperor, they are going to tell you that you are so important to me. You are the ultimate person in my life. Okay. like one communication, very clear, one way communication. Like one way means you're going to just listen to that. Look at this. Same moment is coming, and there's Four of Cups is coming. Now, this is the calling that this is your card. I do not consider when sometimes some people, not all, okay, because they know how I read, but some people say, this card never flipped out. Of course, it didn't. But it said that I want to come out. So my card is talking to me, darling. Okay, so they're saying, I am your card. So they're saying this communication is about some offer. Now, this offer could be love offer, this offer could be money related, job related, something related offer, greeting, like you've been invited somewhere. They are talking to me because I'm sitting with my deck in my hand, and that is what they talk about. They say stop, so I stop. I don't argue, okay? I've been reading cards like these tarot cards from years. And you know what? The interesting part is some energies over here, my people, they're right from the starting. They tell me in the comment section that we watch you from like the moment you started your channel. It's emotional thing. It is emotional because it's very rare that people stick around for years with you. So I get emotional. There's water in my eyes. You won't be able to see it, but it is there because it gets blurry. Anyways, I'm very thankful for this. I hope that my channel grows because it's very tough. You all know that. And something is happening around globe all the time, and things took off and then they came to halt at my end as well, like the views and all this stuff. I never thought about this, like how much subscribers are there, so the views should be like as per, but it's not even that. But it's okay, there should be some purpose, and that's why I'm here. 12 recording time. This offer is coming around, this communication is coming around. Someone is so deeply thinking about you. And when they're going to talk about everything, they are going to be feeling vulnerable around you. They are going to be feeling overwhelmed around you. They are going to be so overwhelmed that they are going to literally tell you about all their feelings. Now, the weird part is, I mean, I shouldn't say weird actually, but maybe mysterious. When you see, this is an hourglass that I've drawn, according to me. Okay, but if I attach some strings from here and here, it is going to become Damru of Shiv, Bhagwan, God, Shivji Bhagwan, Om Namah Shivaya. Now, if you see this Four of Cups, the shape of the cup is literally like this, almost like this. So, you know what this means? This is indicating that it's going to be divine offer, like it's being decided by universe, destiny, 1212. It's going to be different. So when this is going to arrive, when this is going to be happening, when communication is going to happen, anything that is going to happen in your life connected with your timelines, when this is going to happen, stop looking to those cups or people who were there. You need to be refreshing yourself. You need to delete all that bullshit, okay, because it was, and because it did hurt you, it drained you. So what is the point of looking at them? You just go with the flow. Go with the flow when this happens. Trust, okay? Have faith. So what is coming in? And you're going to actually sit and think about, your time is going to be about, you're going to actually sit and think about this offer. You're going to actually, just settle, and you'll think about this communication you're going to have or you had with this person, when you'll already have or had, okay? When this process is already done, you're going to sit and think about it. Okay? Now, what should I do? Should I go with the flow, like kind of like, should I accept it, or should I give this a chance, Let's see. You have a beautiful card, 10 of Pentacles. Now, first of all, this is some commitment coming, an offer of love, romance, beautiful communication. So this is a commitment. This is like longevity of this connection. This is going to be shown here. It's someone who is going to talk with you so much that you know what, I want to be with you. I want to have a family with you, things like that. All type of discussions. If this is about work stuff, again, this is a commitment towards work, good company or good organization or good project or contract or bond or anything that is for you. Money coming through. This is also communication connected with collaboration or things like that. Anything, but it's a positive card of Ten of Pentacles. Loyalty, companion. Okay, this is a good thing. Okay, let's see peekaboo in the future. Drop that burden. Okay, they're showing me there was something in my mind and just went away. Hmm. Just be, someone said from inside, or someone is going to say from inside, I just want to believe it. Drop that burden, wind that up, wrap it up. You don't need those people, energies, recent distant past. Just drop this, because what is coming for you is going to be soothing you for forever. This is coming for you, Ace of Cups. You're going to welcome this commitment, this companion, this thing, this work, anything, but it's going to be beautiful. This love offer, this offer is going to be so soothing for you that's going to, remove everything negative, anything negative that is burdening you, that's on your shoulders, on your mind, in your heart, anything. Okay, just let it go. So you need to wrap this up for forever. I told you that this is coming, okay? And all said and done, this is connected with holy love. Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.